Well, lightning strike of Manong Jose, as I remember, Manong Jose told me that during our first training that all strikes should be lightning light strike, meaning that it should be very fast. Manong Jose told me that just like what he heard when somebody was struck with lightning, when somebody was walking by himself during bad weather, then that somebody was struck with lightning, and that somebody was burned and died. So for Manong Jose, he said that it's our strike should be lightning like, that the speed of our strike should be very fast, just like the speed of lightning. Just like the person that was struck, he doesn't know that the strike is coming towards him, and suddenly, without warning, the strike, the lightning hit him, and he did not even maybe know that it was lightning that hit him, because he suddenly was killed during that incident. So for me, I understand that what Manong Jose meant, that the speed should be more than the speed of sound, very fast, unpredictable, cannot be perceived, and that it is so sudden that the one whom you struck doesn't know that he was struck, and that he just he was just hit with a little strike, just a lightning strike, and then what he may experience is just the blinding light that hits him, and then that's all that he was able to experience, and that's the end of his life.